Welcome to today's fascinating video, where we uncover some of the rarest albino animals you won't believe actually exist. From the animal kingdom's most majestic creatures to the tiniest wonders, albinism creates breathtakingly unique beings that stand out from the rest. These extraordinary animals not only amaze us with their beauty, but also teach us about the wonders of nature. Stay tuned as we reveal 5 incredible albino creatures you need to see. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more amazing content. Number 5. Albino alligator. The albino alligator is one of the rarest animals in the world, with only a few dozen known to exist. Unlike normal alligators, which have dark, tough skin that helps them blend into their swampy environments, albino alligators lack melanin, the pigment responsible for coloration. This gives them a ghostly white appearance, often with pinkish or light blue eyes. Because of this lack of pigmentation, albino alligators are extremely sensitive to sunlight, making survival in the wild very difficult. Most of them are found in captivity, such as zoos or aquariums, where they are protected from predators and harmful UV rays. Their unusual look makes them a major attraction for visitors, as seeing one in person feels almost unreal. In the wild, their pale skin prevents effective camouflage, leaving them vulnerable to threats, especially during their younger years. Albino alligators can grow as large as their normally pigmented counterparts, reaching up to 15 feet in length and living for decades if kept in safe conditions. With their striking, almost mythical appearance, they are often described as living legends of the reptile world, symbolizing both the fragility and uniqueness of rare genetic traits in nature. Number 4. Albino peacock. The albino peacock is one of the most enchanting and eye-catching creatures in the animal kingdom. Unlike the common peacock, which is famous for its vibrant blue and green feathers, the albino peacock is completely white, giving it a ghostly yet majestic appearance. Its feathers lack pigmentation due to albinism, a genetic condition that reduces melanin in the body. Despite being entirely white, the bird's tail still maintains its incredible size and shape, fanning out into a breathtaking display. When it spreads its feathers, the delicate patterns are still visible, but instead of being colorful, they appear in soft shades of ivory and cream. The albino peacock's pinkish eyes are another sign of its unique genetic makeup. These birds are extremely rare, making them a true marvel for anyone fortunate enough to see them in person. Interestingly, while their color makes them vulnerable in the wild by reducing camouflage, in captivity, they are often protected and celebrated as living symbols of purity and beauty. Their elegance has made them highly admired in zoos, private gardens, and wildlife sanctuaries around the world, where they continue to captivate people with their snowy white splendor. Number 3. Albino kangaroo. The albino kangaroo is one of the most fascinating and rare creatures found in the animal kingdom. Unlike typical kangaroos that have shades of brown or gray fur, albino kangaroos are born with completely white or creamy coats due to the lack of melanin, the pigment responsible for color in skin, fur, and eyes. Their eyes often appear pink or red, adding to their striking appearance. These unique kangaroos are not a separate species, but rather a genetic variation that occurs very rarely in the wild. Because of their bright coloration, albino kangaroos face more challenges compared to their normally pigmented counterparts. Their white fur makes it harder for them to camouflage in the Australian landscape, leaving them more exposed to predators. Additionally, their sensitive skin and eyes can make them more vulnerable to sunlight and related health issues. Despite these challenges, they continue to captivate wildlife enthusiasts and researchers. In some wildlife parks and sanctuaries, albino kangaroos are protected and cherished as symbols of rarity and uniqueness. Their presence not only fascinates visitors, but also highlights the incredible genetic diversity that exists in nature, reminding us how extraordinary and surprising the natural world can be. Number 2. Albino turtle. Albino turtles are among the most fascinating and rare creatures in the animal kingdom. Unlike regular turtles, they completely lack pigmentation, which gives them a striking golden or pinkish shell, along with pale skin and red or light blue eyes. Their unique appearance makes them stand out, but it also creates challenges for survival in the wild. Without natural camouflage, albino turtles are more vulnerable to predators, as their bright colors make them highly visible. Additionally, their lack of melanin can cause sensitivity to sunlight, making it harder for them to regulate their body temperature. Despite these challenges, albino turtles can live long and healthy lives, especially when cared for in captivity or protected environments. Many of them become highlights in aquariums or wildlife centers, where people marvel at their rare beauty. In some cultures, albino turtles are even seen as symbols of luck and purity, adding to their mysterious charm. Their rarity means that spotting one in the wild is nearly impossible, and most are discovered by researchers or conservationists. With their otherworldly appearance and delicate nature, albino turtles truly represent one of the most extraordinary wonders of the animal world. Number 1. Albino gorilla. Albino gorillas are among the rarest animals on Earth, with only a handful ever documented. Their striking white fur and pinkish skin come from a genetic condition known as albinism, which reduces or completely removes pigment from the hair, eyes, and skin. The most famous albino gorilla was Snowflake, discovered in Equatorial Guinea in 1966 and later cared for at the Barcelona Zoo in Spain, where he lived for almost 40 years. Albino gorillas face unique challenges in the wild. Their bright appearance makes it difficult for them to camouflage, leaving them more vulnerable to predators. In addition, albinism can cause vision problems and a higher sensitivity to sunlight, making survival in tropical forests even more challenging. Despite these obstacles, albino gorillas remain a symbol of uniqueness and resilience. Their rarity makes them fascinating to scientists, wildlife enthusiasts, and conservationists alike. Each sighting is a reminder of the genetic diversity that exists in nature, even when it leads to uncommon appearances. Unfortunately, with gorillas already endangered due to habitat loss and hunting, the chances of encountering another albino gorilla in the wild are extremely slim. This makes them one of the most extraordinary and unforgettable animals ever seen. Thanks for watching this incredible journey into the rare world of albino animals. Each one is a true reminder of how diverse and fascinating nature can be. If you enjoyed learning about these extraordinary creatures, make sure to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more.